Hi everyone, I'm so glad you're here. I have been trying to teach math to Bigfoot, but he's a little bit distracted.
Cat! Cat! Whoop, whoop, cat!
Bigfoot! Stop that! Eddie! Lock the door!
So I'm gonna find some prizes around the house and maybe add a little music and see if it helps him focus. Welcome to the very first edition of Math with Bigfoot! And I'm your host, Kari Silveri. Oh, that is good. Kari Silveri. Are you ready to play the game?
Well, what do I win?
Well, first, Bigfoot, you have to answer the math problems.
Problems? Do you know how many problems I have? Have you seen my feet? Oh, do you know how hard it is to get shoes these days?
Okay, calm down. We won't call them math problems. We'll call them equations or math sentences.
Fine.
All right, Bigfoot, for the prize package, here's the first question. If I had 2 wind turbines and I added another 3 wind turbines, how many wind turbines would I have?
What's a wind turbine?
Hello, I'm a wind turbine and I use the wind to make clean energy.
Oh, hi, Windy Wendy. I didn't see you come in. Check out this equation. I've got 2 wind turbines and I add another 3 wind turbines and that equals...
Ooh, sounds like a family gathering to me.
Oh, yeah, I guess it would be. But the answer is...
5.
Yes, it's 5. Yes.
No, I'm telling you, I want 5 snacks before bed tonight.
Okay, Bigfoot, next question. If I find 6 pieces of yucky litter on the ground and then someone cleans up those 6 pieces of litter, how many pieces of litter are on the ground?
Hey, who cleaned up all the litter?
Perhaps it all just blew into an ocean or a lake. Oh.
I hope not. But can you answer the question, Bigfoot? 6 minus 6 is...
None.
Another word for none?
Zip.
Try again, but think of a number.
Z. 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 Z.
It's 0! It's 0! 0!
Hey, you got it, Kari. Good job.
Okay, Bigfoot, last question. If I had 4 growing plants and then I planted another 4 plants, how many plants would I have?
What kind of plants are they?
I don't know, strawberry plants?
Sounds like something I ate.
Yes, 8! 8! The answer's 8!
Hey, quit hogging all the math, Kari. I want to do some.
Well done, Bigfoot. Now back outside for you, Windy Wendy.
Toodaloo.
And Bigfoot, 5 snacks and then lights out. Well done, Bigfoot. Listen, I have your prizes for you now, okay?
Yeah.
All right, let's see. I have a banana. And I also have some colorful blocks to play with. And a set of keys. Thanks everyone, and see you next time on